This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find and get the Spotify application on your PlayStation 5, and this is really easy to do. So if you can't find it, there's a couple of different ways that you can go ahead and access it. You might have it under the media section right here. All you have to do is go to the left and go to all apps, and you might be able to find it under this list. So here's video and music apps, and Spotify is right on the top. Otherwise, at any point in time we can go to search to scroll up, and you can find this little search icon right here, and then just type in Spotify. So go SPOT, and it should pop up as one of the first applications. Now select it and open it up. So let's go to Spotify. Now at any point in time you can press the PlayStation button, then go to the right and go to music, and you can start playing your music under here. So we have featured music on PlayStation. Otherwise you can just listen to your Spotify music. So I have a lot of Sabaton right here, and I can play this while I'm playing games. Otherwise we can go to the application and we can start the music through this app as well. And then we can switch back over to our game and it should continue to play. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.